basic exercises that will help your muscles. But first, let's do some workout. Exercise, which is the lunges. So, stand with feet together, take a large step forward with one foot, lower your body down, keeping back straight and front knee behind your toes. Push through front heel and return to standing. And last, alternate legs. Lunges are essential exercise for building strength and improving mobility. So, it also strengthens your legs and glutes. So, lunges also target the quadriceps, hamstring, glutes, and quads. So, it's also improve the balance and your coordination. So, this kind of exercises require balance and control. So, it's also enhancing overall athleticism. Which is the squat. So, first position should stand with feet shoulder wide apart. Feet should be parallel to each other with toes pointing slightly outward. And the second position is lower body down, keep back straight, engage core, and lower body down by bending hips and knees. Third one is keep knees behind toes, ensure knees, so don't extend past toes to avoid putting excessive strain in joints. So the fourth one, push through heels. Use heels to push back up to standing pose. So the squats are compound exercise that works multiple muscles group in the legs, glutes, and core. So it will help strengthen your legs and your glute. And also your quadriceps, hamstring, glutes, and calves. So it's also improve your balance and coordination. Which is the tricep dip. So first, you have to sit on the edge of a bench or a chair. Place your hands next to your hips with fingers gripping the edge. Second, lower body down. Straighten arms and lower body down by bending your elbows. Third, keep elbows close to body. Ensure elbows are close to the body to target tricep effectively. And the last one, push back up, straighten arms to return to starting position, like that. So, the tricep dips are an effective exercise for targeting the triceps muscles. So, it also strengthens the triceps, so primarily target the triceps bronchi muscles. And also, it improves arm extension. This exercise helps improve arm extension and strengthening.
Let's proceed to the fourth exercise. Think balancing on one leg is just for tightrope walkers. Think again. The single leg stab is deceptively simple exercise that pack a parts for your body. Calves. These muscles stabilize your ankle and help keep you upright. Thighs. They maintain knee alignment and control leg movement. Glutes. Your gluteus medius prevents your hip from dropping, ensuring stability. Core. They act like a corset supporting your spine and aiding balance. Ankle stabilizers. Muscles like the peroneus and tibialis help you fine-tune your foot position. All you need is your body in a bit of space. Starts with 15 seconds per leg. Now let's talk about the fifth exercise, which is single leg squat. During a single leg squat, several key muscles are activated. Quadriceps, located at the front of your thigh, this muscle extends your knee as you rise from the squat. Gluteus maximus, your glutes help propel you upward and stabilize your pelvis during the movement. Hamstring, situated at the back of your thigh, they assist in controlling the descent and stabilizing the knee. Calves, these muscles stabilize your ankle and help maintain balance through the exercise. Core muscles, engage to maintain an upright posture and support your spine. Hip stabilizer, prevent your hip from dropping and ensure your proper alignment. Now for the last exercise, which is jump rope. Calves. Each jump requires your calves to push up rope, providing a significant workout. Quadriceps and hamstring. These muscles work together to extend and flex your knees, propelling you upward and controlling your descent. Glutes. Your gluteal muscles assist in hip extension, contributing to the power of your jump. Abdominals and obliques. Engage to stabilize your torso and maintain posture throughout the movement. Lower back. Support spinal alignment and aids in balance. Shoulders. Control the rotation of the rope, requiring endurance and coordination. Forearms and wrists. Involved with the rhythmic turning of the rope, balancing with strength and dexterity.